So what's going on, people? I think everyone are doing good. Okay, let's start this video. So this video and the coming two videos will be based on file editing or editors. Okay, so this video will be on based on Nano, and the next video will be based on Vim, and the next video will be based on Mask. So Mask is it's not a new, it is like old one, but it is rarely used. I'll teach you about how do you use EMACS mask editor. Okay, so this video will be based on Nano editor. So Nano editor is what CLI editor, I can say. It only opens what inside the terminal. You can't view it in GUI. It is just as inside. You can edit it in inside editor. Okay, so how do you do that? How do you create a nano file? So nano file has some syntax that I need to show. That will be this one, and this will be the syntax for using nano editor. Okay, let's say you need to create a file, then you need to specify a file name .txt. So this will actually create a file. You can't let's say that you need to create a file, so you do touch and file name, and then you use nano and that file name to edit that file. You don't need to do that. You can just specify the file name using nano itself, then you can create the file. So now I don't need to create the file, I'll just exit it. Okay, so if you need what to create a file in what new buffer manner without specifying name, then you can use -u, which will create a new buffer so that you can use it. Okay, I don't need to create new buffer, I'll come back. Okay, since okay, now I think that you need to create a specific column number or specific column number to do line wrapping, something like that. You need to select some specific what column number, then you can do nano, and you can specify argument that will be -w, and you can specify a line number that you can use to what wrap the line, or you can use for line wrapping, something like that. Okay, so let's say you need to preserve the hard tabs. So instead of what converting them to spaces, you need to preserve the hard tabs. Instead of converting that to spaces, you can use nano hyphen capital letter E, then the file name.txt. So this will actually preserve the what hard tabs without being converted to the spaces. Okay, let's go for the next one. Okay, let's say that you are creating a file, but you need to have the line numbers. What you do -l and the file name.txt. So this will basically create a line numbers 1 2 3 4 5. This is first this, and second and third, like that. If you need a line number, then you need to use -l. This will create the line numbers. Like by default it does not create a line number. So if you use nano file.txt, by default it does not create any line numbers. So if you need line numbers, then you need to use -l. Okay, let's say you are writing a script, for a Python file, let's say like that. You need some highlighting features in nano, like VS Code, in VS Code you have some highlighting features. If you use Python, the function will be in some letter and variable will be in some color, some color. So you can also do that, we enable that highlighting features in nano also. How do you do that? So nano hyphen capital letter I, then you need to specify which programming language, then you need to specify the script file, then let me function. You can see you are having highlighting features in Python file. Okay, let's exit this. Okay, so this is one feature. Let's open the file and create something. Let's say I need to create a file.txt. Okay, so now you write something. This is some content in the some context context in the content only whatever it is. This is some words I'll do, words in the file, in this file. Okay, so after writing this sentence in this file, how do you save it? The first thing you should do is that you need to press Ctrl O. So this will basically save the file. This will basically save the file. If I press enter, this file was saved. Okay, if I press enter, then this file will be saved. Now if you need to exit this file, you need to use Ctrl X. This will exit the file, but since the file is not saved, I need to press yes, then exit it. If I do cat file name, you can see the content is present in that folder. Okay, not folder, not file. Okay, let's say you need to search something, then you need to replace it with a new word, let's say like that. So that you need to print, you need to click Ctrl Shift and backslash. Okay, so this will prompt a new in the terminal. This only it will prompt a new terminal. Then you can search word. Let's say I need to replace words with word, so I'll search the word which I need to replace it. I am searching that WRLD. If I press enter, then like to which word I need to replace it, that will be to word. If I press enter, the words will be replaced to word. Okay, that is how you can use a replace in a Nano editor. Instead of using that, also you can use Ctrl R. Then you need to search the word, that will be WRLD word. Then I need to replace with WORDS words. Then yes, I need to replace, then it will be replaced to WRDS words. So you can do many things, like if you need to cut something, let's say you need to cut something, you need to use Ctrl and K. Nothing was cut. Okay, Ctrl K, then the whole line will be erased. You need to go for the line where this is the line. Okay, this is the line, you are in that line, then you need to cut that for whole line. Then you need to use Ctrl K will cut that particular line. Okay, let's say this is the line, this is the another line. Okay, let's say Ctrl F, I'm using Ctrl F. Let's say I need to search one word, that is called another. So that will send my cursor to the first letter of that word. So I'm searching one word that is called another. If I use Ctrl and F, that Ctrl F, then if I specify the word another, then the cursor will be it will send the cursor to that particular first letter of that word. So that is how you can use Nano editor. So there is many things that you can just explore using the Nano editor. Okay, so if you don't know how to use Nano editor, you can go for man page. It has man page, then it will I guess it does not have any it has many arguments that if you need to back up something, and if you need to create a directory, make a keep just for one backup file, then there is many commands that you can use. But you can log the editor, I guess. You can log the editor. So just you use man page, so it will actually show many arguments that you can use and explore it. So that is all, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.